scared the crap out of me.
Okay.
They're just little birds, guys. Look, they're taking over the lunch.
Dude, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna throw it away so they go. I'm getting in the car, move!
Where are you going, Michaela?
I'm going in the car! Oh, the dog scared me, oh my god. My stuff fell!
Uh-oh. Whoa, he's on the car now. Are you hungry or something? Ah!
Oh my god! Just go!
He's trying to get our lunch. Oh, that's so funny.
Are they really that hungry?
I mean, to come right at me like that was crazy.
They're not gonna get it. I'm trying to get it to come to you.
I don't know. Let's see what happens.
You have hair on it.
Ah, whoa! I guess I had that coming.
Step. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god.
Are you serious? That is so aggressive.
Okay. Oh. Dad, these birds are killing us.